Let me ask you a question. What is the first thing people do right after they wake up? Now, obviously, it's showing on the screen right now, so you probably already guessed. But what most people do right after they wake up is they grab their phones and they start scrolling. Like they might have just wanted to turn off their alarm or check their messages from their friends or family members, but then they see all these TikTok notifications, Instagram notifications, so they click on one of them and boom, they entered the rabbit hole. Now, 90% of their focus is gone. I don't care who you are, if you go on Instagram Reels or if you go on TikTok, any of these short form platforms, even YouTube Shorts, even the homepage of YouTube, you tell yourself, oh, I'm just gonna look at one thing or two for 2 minutes. But before you realize it, you can't fucking stop scrolling because it's addictive and your brain wants it. Every time you scroll, you get this like dopamine hit. It's like you're at the casino. There's something new, something exciting. Your brain craves that. And the people who build these platforms like YouTube, all these social media platforms, they're very, very smart. They hire the smartest people in the world, the best scientists, the best engineers, psychologists to fuck you. Like they use your brain psychology against you. Because how do these platforms make money? By taking your attention and retaining it for as long as possible. Usually when something is free, it means you are the product. If you pay with money. But if you don't pay, then you pay with your attention. And your attention is the most precious thing you have. It's your time. Like you can always make more money. Some people are billionaires, but once you've given something or someone your attention, once your time is gone, you just can't get it back. That's also why, growing up as a kid in the low middle class, I never understood how people just accepted to work a job they hate until they retire, and then that's when they will live life. Like, how the fuck is that a good deal? You spend all your life working so fucking hard, you've probably studied for like 2, 3, 5, maybe even more years than that in university. You might be massively in debt, especially if you're like English countries, people pay a lot for university, and then you work a job that you don't really like, but hey, you have to, because you gotta pay your bills, you gotta pay your rent, your car, your food, etc. Otherwise you can't live, and then you slowly climb the corporate ladder. You get a few raises here and there over the years, you pay a fuck ton of taxes, and then one day, oh, you're 70, oh, you can finally retire. Now you are free. Now you can go and travel. Now you can do all the things you wanted to do. Now you can have hobbies. Well, that, my friend, is just a fucking scam. That's the deal that collectively we all agreed to as society. But if you just analyze it like for 2 seconds, it doesn't take a genius to see that this is completely fucked up. That is not how people should be living. Like, answer me this. How come so many people nowadays are on antidepressants? What changed? We just live shit lives that make no fucking sense. We work too fucking much. Like, you don't need to work 8 hours a day. We're not built for that. What other animals do you see working 8 hours a fucking day? They hunt, they eat, then they just do whatever. That's it. So if you are somebody who wants to escape the rat race, you want to be rich, you want to be more productive, you want to work on your business, because you don't want to wait until you retire, so then you can finally live life. You want to live life now. Well, if the first thing you do after you wake up is grab your phone, even if you don't mean to, click on TikTok, whatever, 90% of your focus is gone. Now, I'm going to be completely honest with you. I've done this for years. At my most extreme, I was waking up 5 a.m., I was putting my phone on airplane mode and in a drawer. I wouldn't even check it until noon. But that's pretty fucking hard to do. Nowadays, that's not what I do. I still wake up early, 5 to 5:15 a.m., and I do grab my phone, like I turn off the alarm. I also have an alarm just in case, one of the alarms just doesn't go off. I don't want to miss my wake up time. But I don't have any social media apps on my phone. And on the number I've got, there's only my family who has that number. So I don't really get many messages or anything. And I might lose 20% of my focus as opposed to just, having the phone on airplane mode in a drawer. But sometimes what I've noticed is it can cause you more mental turbulence because you're thinking, oh, what if something happened? That's FOMO. And social media platforms have created this FOMO in us because you're like, oh, but if I don't open the app and you see this red dot on the icon, something like this, now you're like, oh, but I don't know, there's something new, maybe it's important. So if you want 100% productivity, don't check your phone at all until noon maybe, or until after you've done your deep work. Or if you don't mind losing 20% of your focus because you want to check stuff on your phone, sometimes you just have to, especially if you need to talk to team members, etc. You might need to use your WhatsApp. So do that, but make sure that you don't have TikTok or Instagram on your fucking phone. If you get lots of fucking notifications, don't touch your phone after you wake up, just don't. Otherwise, 90% of your focus is just gone. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.